Yes, now here order property or commutative property. Order property. Suppose if a number is there 5 plus 4, if I add 5 plus 4, then what is the answer? 5 plus 4 is 9. If order of the addend will change, this is the first addend, this is the second addend. If I take second addend first and first addend next, then answer will never change. Means order of the addend will change, then there is no change in answer. Then whatever, say if you add 5 plus 4 or 4 plus 5, your answer remains same. There is no change in your answer. There is no change in your answer. So this is order property. Next, grouping property. Suppose if I take 4 plus 3 plus 2. So if I want to take 4 plus 3 as a group and 2 is another group, then what is the answer? 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. So first here I make first 2 as in one group. So in the second case I want to take 3 plus 2 as in one group. Then 4 this as it is. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. Yeah. If your group will change, added group will change, then also there is no problem. Your answer will remain same. This grouping property is also called associative property, and this order property is also called commutative property. In commutative property, if order of the addends will change, then there is no change in your answer. Like 5 plus 4, this is first addend, this is second addend. In second case, this is first addend, this is second addend. The order here we changed, but the answer is same. So this is called order property or commutative property. In grouping property, first in 3 addends, first we make one group for first 2 and plus 2 as it is. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 and this plus 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. Then the second case, we make 3 plus 2 as in one group. Then 4 plus as it is, 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. In this way we added same grouping also. If we change, if we make other groups, different groups and added, the result will be the same. Then next, addition with 0. If suppose if any number is added with 0, then what is the answer? 3 plus 0. 3 plus 0, the same number you will get 3. 8 plus 0, what is the answer? 8 only. 0 plus 1000, 1000 only. The same number only we will get. If we add any number with 0, the answer is the same number only. The answer is the same number only. If I ask dash plus 200 is equal to 200, here this is one addend, this is second addend. So what we should add to this 200 to make the answer is same? If here we get 0, if 0 is added to 200, then only we get the same answer. So here answer should be 0. Answer should be 0. When 0 is one of the addend, then our answer is that number only. Then our answer is that number only. Here grouping. This is grouping means here 4 plus 3 is one group and 2 is separate. If we add 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Here grouping change. 3 plus 2. 4 as it is. 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 5, 9. If we change according to our group, means first 2 in one group. In the second case, we took second 2 in one group. Then after finding our sum, the answer is same. This is called grouping property. In addition, order property is there. Order means order of the addends will change. Then there is no change in your answer. This is called order property. Order property, grouping property, and this one is additive property. This is also called additive property and also called addition with 0. Addition with 0. If we add any number with 0, then we get the same number only. If 0 is added with 1000, the answer is 1000. If 0 is added with 200, the answer is 200. In some cases, if you ask like this, 201 plus dash is equal to 201. Then if 200 plus what we add, the answer is 201. So if our answer is, if 0 is added to 201, then our answer is 201. Don't think that 200 plus 0, 200 plus 0 is 0. It is not correct. 200 plus 0 is 200. 1000 plus 0 is 1000. Don't confuse. 0 plus 2 is not 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. 10 plus 0 is 10, not 0. So remember all this. Okay, these properties you have to remember. You have to remember all these properties. Now in activity 4, so this activity 4 depends on our 4 addition rules, 3 addition rules. What are 3 addition rules? Just we discussed before. So one is commutative, the other one is associative, the third one is addition with 0, additive with 0. And commutative is, associative is also called grouping. Commutative is called rechange order. How to change? If order will change, then what will happen? If first added and second added will change, the answer will remain same. We discuss ordering are commutative, and grouping are associative, and addition with 0. These 3 rules we discuss in here. 2357 plus 1876. It means 2357 plus 1876 is equal to, here 1876 plus, here order will change, here first added, here second added. Here we consider first added first, then we write the second added next. What is the second added? 2357. 2357. First added plus second added is equal to second added plus first added. Here also same. First added plus second added is equal to second added plus first added. What is second added here? 1831. Now here, first added, second added. Here we took second added like this. 2391 is there, 2391 is there. Missing 5131. It means 5137. We have to check what is here. Here it is there, here it is there. Here it is not there. So it means 5137 we have to take. 5137 we have to take. Then 1064, 1064 is there. This whatever in this first added is there, that is missing. We have to take here as a second added. Second added. Now here 3716 and also 3716. When we will get the same answer? If 0 is added. If 0 is added, then only we get the same answer. So we have to think, we have to write, we have to think, and we have to write here. 5965, answer also 5965. When we will get same answer? If we add 0. If we add 0 to this, then we get the same answer here. So these two make a group, these two make group here, and this one is missing, first one, that we have to write here. 1008. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 is in group. On right side, 2, 3 is in group. This is missing. That we have to write here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 is there. This is missing. 1650. 1650. So in this way we have to arrange regrouping and also changing order and also adding 0. Adding 0. These 3 rules. Use these 3 rules and complete and fill this blank. So in this way we have to fill. And next, in second question, find the sum by suitable regrouping. Suitable regrouping. Here, whatever is the best way you think, in that way you add it. You add it. So here, I want to take these two in one group and these two in one group, like 45 plus 23 in one group plus 51 plus 38 in one group. 45 and 23. 45, 23. 8 and 6. This answer is 68 plus 51, 38. 51, 38. 8 plus 1, 9. 5 plus 3, 8. 89. And after that we have to add these two. 68, 89. 17. 17, how to take 7, 1, 7 here and 1 here. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. The total answer is 157. In this way we have to make regroups and we have to do. Now I want to take these two in one group and these two in one group. That is your wish. So whatever easy method you think, in that way you make a group and find your addition. 44 plus 36 plus 24 plus 65 in one group. 44 plus 36, 44, 36. 6 plus 4, 10, 0 here and 1 here. 5, 80. This is our 80. 24, 65. 24, 65. 9, 8. 89 plus 80 plus 89. 80 and 89 now. 169. Our answer is 169. In this way we have to make groups and we have to find our addition.